guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have January's manifestation box and Mother Earth wrap club to show you guys. Do you want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so January 2024 manifestation box and Mother Earth wrap club just arrived. They were sent to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me both of your boxes to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what is going to be inside. I absolutely love their boxes, everything about them, all of the crystal jewelry and everything. So let's dive into the manifestation box first, and then after we will go into the Mother Earth wrap club. So this is how the box comes. They're very, very well constructed. I always tell you guys, if you want to save things, even if you save like stickers or stuff for scrapbooking, you could store them in these smaller boxes or store your jewelry. You can do anything with them. I just like to point that out, and I like to repurpose then to throw away. So it says, ready to manifest your dreams? Yes. Manifest the life you want to live. So again, here we go. We'll open this up. With this one, every single month, you are going to, not only do you have a handwritten card right on top, but inside of this one, you are going to get a healing crystal, a bracelet, a necklace. You get your astrology, you get what you're working with for the month, and there's meditation cards. There's two of them, one for you to gift and one for you to keep if you wanted to. But there is always two of them. And I really love that because when you do sign up, you get to tell them the wrist size, the length of the jewelry, the necklace, and you get to tell them what sign you are. So literally this box is customized to you. If you get it and the bracelet or the necklace is too long or too short, you can just let them know, and then the next one, they'll adjust it to get it right for you as you move along. But you definitely get to choose it. So again, it's customized just for you, and I love that. So there is always some kind of really pretty sticker. So there's like this little flower, they're like 3D-ish kind. And then when you open this up, that's a sneak peek to inside of the box. So down inside of here will be the bracelet and the healing crystal. Ooh, I see something else that's in here this time. We're gonna see what that is. This should be the necklace. We do have, oh, it says enjoy your free bonus gift. And then it says it's the Flower of Life crystal grid base. Look at that. And that's what this is right here. So let me take that out so we can see that. Look at that. That's so pretty. It's like a wood etched out of wood. And for this one, it does say the Flower of Life pattern is a powerful and sacred geometric symbol that has been used for centuries to enhance meditation and promote positive energy flow. When used in conjunction with crystals, this symbol can help to amplify their energy and focus your intention, making it a perfect base for any crystal grid. Wow, and that's just a free gift this month, you guys. Maybe to celebrate the new year coming up or something, but I've never really seen a free gift in this box, so that's awesome. So again, you do have that. And with the crystals, you always get these cards. I absolutely love them. Not only do I save them and it can always use them as a reference anytime I feel like it, it'll show you an image of it so you can kind of match it up. And then it tells you about the crystal on there as well. So I always save these as to use as a reference. So there's that. How neat. Let's get the rest of the paperwork and stuff out of the box. This is these two right here would be the meditation cards. And again, they give you two of them, one for you to keep and one for you to gift, or you can keep them both, whatever you would like. But here is this month. A vision board is a powerful tool that turns your wishes into a roadmap for success, by John Asheroff. I'm not how you say that last name, but that is the card for this month. Again, there's two. Then you're going to get what we're working with for the month. So for this month, it says aim high in 2024 with vision board magic and healing crystals. And then you can go through and read this whole entire thing to help you out for what we're working with for the month of January. And then you do have your January 2024 astrology. Mine is Scorpio because that is what I am. Again, this would be customized based on what sign you are. So here is my Scorpio. I love reading that to kind of get a feel of what's going to happen for the month. And then they do give us a card to show you a little bit more of their jewelry, beautiful, 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 beautiful jewelry. And you can go to their website and purchase anything individually. They even have some that are bundled together to save you money. They have all kinds of stuff on their website. And you can use my code SheCrafty to save 20% off all products or your first monthly subscription. So there's that. So you have that in there as well. So there's all of the paperwork. So now let's go ahead and open up the necklace, since this is what is in front of me. They always come down in these boxes. You can store them in, keep them nice and protected, and it does have their sticker on top for the manifestation box. And then when you open this up, here will be the, you have the card for this as well. And then, oh, let's get, okay. Oh, let's find where it is. Here is this month's necklace, and it says arrow, and then you have the arrow right there. The arrow represents moving forward, even though the path is constrained by the bow, which stands for struggle in your life. When you pull the bow back, the arrow gets released from the bow. In short, the bow propels the arrow forward and helps to seek better things in life. So there is that, and it's on, again, the silver chain. I don't think I've actually seen a brass chain. I've seen rose gold and I've seen gold that we get rarely. It's more of a rarity to get anything other than silver. To me, those two colors just don't match to me. That's just my own opinion. But there is the arrow for representing moving forward. That's great though for January, because we're starting a whole new year. Everything is all new, different, everything. So moving forward for the new year, only going forward. That's awesome. So there is the necklace. Now let's go ahead and dive down into here and see the healing crystal and the bracelet. Oh my gosh, that is, oh, is that turquoise? Is that turquoise? Let's see. It says bronzonite and turquoise. Yes. Ah, look at this. Look at how pretty. And I love that these are like smaller and then they veer to like bigger ones right in front. Look at how gorgeous, you guys. And then here are the two different cards for it. So let's go with the turquoise first. Turquoise. The biggest gift of turquoise is helping us know that every part of us is an element of our own divine self. To be understood and embraced, turquoise encourages us to accept ourselves, scars and all. It can help release regret and find self-acceptance, which is important. Turquoise is believed to bring luck and to possess powers, including the ability to promote wealth, attract love, and bring happiness. And then the bronzonite, if that's how you say it, is an energy that helps to promote peace and harmony. It is used for protection, as it not only repels, but also sends back the negative energies to the sender. That's awesome. And get your bad juju back to you. The stone provides us with the courage to act on our thoughts and feelings. It instills the courage to follow through the life path decisions. Bronzonite is known as the stone of courtesy, as it is believed to boost such feelings as love, equality, and protect anyone. So that is the two different stones for this bracelet. And oh my gosh, that is beautiful. That is just beautiful. And again, I love how the bigger ones are on the top and then the smaller balls are around it. And then the healing crystal for this month is a clear quartz crystal. And it is shaped like a heart, which is super cute because I actually am collecting these hearts of all sizes. So I think that's awesome to now add a clear quartz to my collection. It is known as the master healer and will amplify energy and thought as well as the effects of other crystals. It absorbs stones, releases and regulates energy. Clear quartz stimulates the immune system and brings the body into balance. And again, it's this nice little heart-shaped clear quartz crystal. That is so pretty. So that is everything for the January manifestation box. You have the heart-shaped clear quartz healing crystal. You have this beautiful bracelet with the turquoise. I don't have anything like this. That is just stunning. I absolutely love it. You have the arrow necklace, you have your meditation cards, what we're working with, and the astrology. All right, you guys, so now that we've seen the manifestation box, let's go ahead and dive into the Mother Earth Wrap Club for January. So down inside of this one, you're going to get the wrap bracelet, and then you get one small gift item that would be in there. It could be anything under the sun, but I like that there's like one little extra item to give you like a mystery item inside of it. But this is mainly for the wrap bracelet. So in here, you do not get what we're working with, the paper. You do not get your astrology. You do not get the healing crystal and the necklace or anything like that. It's just for the wrap bracelet. So down inside of here, all right, I see what our little goodie item is. 1, 2, 3 step. I love when it's more than one step when it comes to like the face masks and stuff. So this is a vitamin C and E 3-step facial kit. And you looks like you go with number 1, which is a cleanser. So you would go start with step 1, cleanse your face. Number 2, you have a serum. And then number 3 is a sheet mask. I love putting my sheet masks in the refrigerator. So whenever I do put them on, they feel so amazing, nice and cold on my face. But I definitely love when there's more than one step, a situation when it comes to the face sheet masks. So I love that. So you have a 3-step mask right there. You do have the handwritten card, which is in this one as well. There is actually a paper. I am running a New Year, New You promotion. Ooh. So it says you can use code SAVE5 to save $5 off a monthly plan. There's 50% off your first month with a quarterly plan. You can use the code NEWYOU, NEWYOU. So that one, if you get a quarterly plan, you get 50% off your very first box. Or there's also 100% off your first month with a 6-month prepaid plan. Okay, so you can even save even more. That code is first box free. So the number 1, STBOXFREE. So again, on a 6-month plan, that'll get you your very first box completely free. Or you get 100% off your first month with a year plan. So if you do the whole year plan, oh, and you get an extra surprise gift in that one too. So if you do a year plan, you can use code first box free and you'll get the first box free plus a surprise gift. So there's new promotions for this New Year, New You, if you want to snag any of those. So if you guys want to take advantage of that, you're more than welcome to. And then here's a card that shows a little bit more of like their wrap bracelets. These are just gorgeous. Again, you can purchase any of their wraps and all of that, anklets, keychains, crystals, all of that you can purchase individually on their website, and SheCrafty will get you 20% off. So now that all of that is said, let's go ahead and see what wrap bracelet we have. I really, really hope it's the turquoise that matches this, because that would be awesome. And it is. So it does come in these boxes. It's just like the other one, but it has the Mother Earth wrap sticker on it. You can, again, save these, keep your jewelry inside of them. This is the same. So we have the same turquoise and bronzonite. So just like I already read in the first unboxing, for the manifestation box would be the same exact for these 2 crystals. And look at you guys. Oh my goodness. And then it has one of the little dangle balls right here. And this is such a light feel too. Like, this crystal's super, super light. It does not feel heavy whatsoever. I've actually thought that in my head when I put this one on. I just didn't say it out loud. If anybody knew what all goes on in my head. So here is the wrap bracelet, but oh my gosh, look at how beautiful. I love the turquoise. This is absolutely stunning. Look at how gorgeous. And I love that these fit me like perfectly now. Oh my gosh, look at how beautiful. I absolutely love that. You can stack them, you can wear multiple, you can do whatever your little heart desires. They're super, super durable. You can shower in them, yoga in them, do your normal exercise, your normal daily routines. You could do everything you normally do with them. Don't even have to worry about them breaking or anything like that. And I don't take them off all day until the evening because I wear them like every single day with whatever I'm wearing. So I just love this jewelry, you guys. These crystals are just stunning. They're absolutely amazing. I love what the box represents. I'll do the different 2 variations that are completely different, but I love both of them. So there's that. So that is everything for the Mother Earth Wrap Club. So we have this as the gift item. You have the 3-piece face mask situation, and you have the wrap bracelet. Okay, you guys. So now that is everything for both boxes for this month. What do you guys think? What do you think of the crystal use, the turquoise? I am absolutely loving this right here. So comment down below and let me know what you thought. Would you like one versus the other? If you could only get one, which one would you choose? The manifestation box, the Mother Earth Wrap Club? Let me know what you thought. If you would like a little bit more information about this box, I will let you know right about now. Again, I do have my code SheCrafty, which will save you 20% off your first box or any of their items in their online shop if you are interested. For the manifestation box, again, you get the bracelet, the necklace, the healing crystal, what we're working with, your astrology, and the meditation cards. That is $39 if you do month per month. 3 months will bring it down to $36. A 6-month plan will bring it down to $34 per box. And then a full 12-month plan will bring it down to $33 per box. Again, if you want to use those other codes, you can save some extra money as well. And if you are interested in the Mother Earth Wrap Club, the same thing, the same pricing applies, but that one you get just the wrap bracelet plus 1 small gift item in there. Again, $39 month to month. 3 months will be $36. 6 months will bring it down to $34, and the full 12-month plan would be $33 for that. She also does give back, so if you are shopping through their site to get individual items or the subscription, a portion of the proceeds does get donated, and I love that because then we're all helping each other. So again, that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.